Hey TikTok peeps, I wanted to show you something I'm really excited about. I have been looking for a blower for my shop for quite some time, and I've got a big one, a big leaf blower, but I need something that's small, quick, easy to store and doesn't take up a lot of room, but still has plenty of power. And I want to show you this one from Seese. I picked this one up on the TikTok shop. It comes in this really nice case. And let's get this bad boy open. And this is what you get in it. Comes with a charger, the battery, and the blower. And you're going to look at this and go, that little thing won't hardly blow the hair off your head. It also comes with some earplugs for ear protection, because this thing is jet powered and you will be stunned how well it works. Super light. This thing probably without the battery maybe weighs a pound or so. Comes with a 21-volt lithium ion battery. Super quick, slides on. Now I want you to listen. This is going to be really loud. I just want you to hear how it sounds. And this is great. If you have a woodworking shop and you get sawdust everywhere, I mean, you can blow it off your equipment. It's got a nice grip. This is like carrying a drill, just like a cordless drill, but it's lighter than a cordless drill, and it's super powerful. So I'm going to take you outside. I want to show you that you can blow leaves with them too. And you better buy two, because I'm going to tell you from experience, your wife's going to see this and go, oh, I don't have to carry that big old heavy blower anymore. I can blow the leaves off the front porch, back porch, the patio, around the house with this. I can carry this. So if you only buy one for your shop, it will be missing and your wife will have it. Guys, we're outside now, and I wanted to show you real quick. I have a few leaves right here, and they're fairly thick, and I want to clean it up, and I want to show you how strong this is. Now I'm probably 3 or 4 feet away from the ground, holding it in my hand. If that doesn't surprise you, I'm stunned. I'm going to tell you, this is the strongest, lightest weight blower I've ever used. And this is the 500 version. They have two sizes that are a little bit bigger than this, but not much, and even have more power. So go down there, click that cart, pick yourself up. Remember, two, one for you, one for the wife, because otherwise she'll have your shop blower outside doing what she wants to do with it, instead of you having it doing what you want to do with it. Also makes a great Christmas gift. Like I said, it comes with the blower, a battery, the charger, and ear protection. Click that cart down below and get yours today.